Absolutely.
My dog would probably say yes, he'd be a great ball boy.
No.
Definitely not. If they're really good at it.
Depends if they set out the little house for them.
It's probably better that we have both kids instead of dogs.
Yes.
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 Not really.
What's mean grunting?
Dog always has to play it.
Pretty good.
Depends on if you actually need to.
Oh, sorry, for sure.
I mean, you're always sorry when you hit someone.
Depends on the occasion.
Not sorry.
I'm pretty happy, so not sorry.
I probably like music more.
Music.
Music.
Sometimes it's good to relax and to listen to some music and maybe to sing.
Absolutely embrace them.
It's pretty cool that you're like more tan than the other people who are not in the sun.
I hate it because then when you have like swim clothes or something, then you just look stupid.
Oh no, embrace them. And yeah, there's no getting around it.
It's okay.